Hey guys, James here from Manifest Griefing, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to update your client and how to make it easier for you guys to update your client. So basically, to update your client, you pretty much have to redo or recode the whole thing, and this can be a pain in the ass, especially when dealing with big clients like MLJ. So what a lot of people do to make it, or to avoid having to recode everything, is they make new packages and new classes within those packages so that they can pretty much just copy over those packages. And that's what I'm going to be showing you guys. So we're going to go into client, SRC, and as you can see, I have a new package already set up. Now to make a new package, you can right click on any of these, and excuse the lag, my computer sucks ballsack. New and package, and then you can name it whatever you want, but I'm not going to do that because I already have one. So when you first make that package, you'll see that instead of having a brown box like all of these, it'll have a white box, and that means it's empty. So to put in classes into that package, you can right click on it, new, and class. And the first thing I always do is make a variables class, and this is my variables class within that package. And basically it's pretty much the same thing as your other variables class. That's if you have one. So I'm gonna make a new class, and I'm gonna name it rewind GUI. And this is where having a package really makes it a lot easier, because if you have really complicated GUIs or really good looking GUIs, you can basically just copy over this package and not have to recode the whole thing. And yeah, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make it extend GUI screen, and you are gonna get an error, but that's just because we need to import GUI screen. So if you click on this light bulb, it'll give you an option to import GUI screen. And we're also going to import one more thing. We're going to import net.minecraft.client.minecraft with a capital M. So yeah, now we're going to make a public rewind GUI and parentheses, and inside those parentheses we're going to do Minecraft, just like that. We're going to open that up, and in this we're just going to put MC equals Minecraft, and then we're just going to do this to make it easier. We're going to put font renderer with a capital R equals MC dot font renderer. And I'm back. Okay, so after that, we're going to want to make a public void draw screen. Screen, and then inside this, we're going to put int I, comma int j, comma float f. And why is that giving me an error? Oh, okay. So basically, anything you put in this void will show up on screen when you call it. So this is where you can put your whole GUI. So if I just put in font renderer dot drawstring, oh my god, drawstring, and I put hi FFF, and if you don't know what I'm doing here, then you should probably check out the basics tutorial. And the reason why we did this, if I didn't explain because I kind of forgot, it basically means that MC means this and font renderer means this, and it just makes it easier so that I can just write font renderer instead of writing this. So yeah, so now we have our GUI, and if I save it, we can go into GUI in game, and this is where we can actually call what we just made. So in other words, we can actually draw whatever we just put here. So to do that, I'm gonna make a check key. So if check key keyboard.key, and again, if you don't know what I'm doing here, then you should probably check out the basics tutorial. Key up, and you can put any key you want. I just like doing up, and sorry for the lag. And you're going to want to put MC dot display GUI screen, and if this doesn't pop up, then just put in new in parentheses. Why am I lagging? And then your class name, and mine is rewind GUI, and in parentheses MC, and then just end it off with a semicolon. And then you should get an error. You're gonna want to click on the light bulb and then import your class. Sorry for the background noise, I'm in game right now. So anyway, yeah, that's it. And if we save this and then run it, and just give me a second to run it because my computer's lagging. Okay, and excuse the ugly texture. Oh my god, damn it, Shane. Okay, so let me minimize that. Okay, so if I go into single player and then survival, oh my god, wow. Okay, give me a second, guys. Okay, also shout out to my friend Icelick. If you guys like that showcase of his build he did the other day, then go check out his channel. His channel is in, or the link to his channel will be in the video of the showcase. So yeah, so if I press up, as you can see, it pops up. Now you can put in any of your GUI into that draw screen, and every time you press up, that's what will happen. And yeah, so when an update comes, all you got to do is right click on this, or actually not right click, but you're going to want to just copy this and then paste it into your SRC. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you later. Bye.